Hello, we are Care Compass, and this is this year's our submission to the hackathon project this year. Our goal is to connect underserved communities to affordable healthcare options for them. So why do we care? For us, we found this data set which shows that 1 in 7 Houstonians are uninsured and even more are underinsured, meaning that they do not have healthcare plans which meet their healthcare needs. So people in Houston are finding it difficult to navigate healthcare situations in the midst of their financial and logistical challenges, which face them and their communities at large. So by providing an accessible and easy-to-use platform to navigate these healthcare options in their area, we hope to mitigate some of these challenges and meet users where they're at. So for this year, the tracks and challenges we're submitting to is the social impact track as our main track, and the challenges we'll be applying to are the best use of MongoDB, the best use of Gemini API, the Commuter Healthcare Challenge, and the Lily Lab AI Challenge.
Okay, now we're going to go through our demo. So again, we are Care Compass. Our mission is to connect uninsured individuals to affordable healthcare by providing access to free and sliding scale clinics. So if we look at our drop-down menu, we see a variety of different services provided. So if we go and do something like dental care and our user can input our zip code. We are provided with some healthcare clinics that provide dental care in their area. And on the left, you can see filters, and on the right, you can see the different healthcare clinics. So if we go in and filter out some of the non-LGBTQ plus friendly and immigrant friendly healthcare clinics, then we are left with 2 more. And then if we go back and clear our filters, we can then filter for primary care healthcare facilities, and then also change our distance filter, and we're left with 2. So if we look at the cards on the right, we can see that each card is less than 3 miles away. We can see the name of the healthcare clinic, a picture of the healthcare clinic, the address, the phone number, and we can also visit the website. So awesome, cool. And then we can go back. We see that walk-ins are accepted, various different information about the clinic, and then if we go into more details, we see an AI summary of the overall patient experience, key strengths, overall recommendation of the healthcare clinic, and we can also we used the Google Maps API to provide directions information. We also have a chatbot where our users can ask various different questions related to healthcare, such as what is a copay, and our chatbot will provide us with a detailed answer.
Okay, now we'll dive into a bit of the technical details for our project. So here's a diagram we created to kind of showcase how the components are connected to one another. A user will interface with our React application, which is how we're hosting our front end, which then communicates with the back end, which is deployed on a Docker container via Google Cloud Run, and our Python is actually using Fast API for the REST API. This then communicates with MongoDB to store clinic data, Google Gemini for our chatbot summary, Google APIs for maps data, and Google Cloud Storage to store images. So a comprehensive list of our technologies we used are React, Next.js, Tailwind. On the back end, Gemini, Google Cloud, Fast API, MongoDB. And then for deployment, we use Vercel, Google Cloud Run, and Docker.
So let's talk about some of our impacts and next steps for our project. So impact-wise, we've created a platform which connects people to healthcare options to meet the users where they are and ease the burden of finding healthcare that works for them, especially the uninsured. In our database, we have more than 100 plus clinics in the Houston area already, and our AI assistant is built to inform users of their rights when seeking healthcare and teach them a little bit about any questions they may have of navigating the system, especially if they are unfamiliar. In the future, we would like to be able to expand our access to the entirety of the United States, especially underserved communities, as well as get more accurate pricing data from sources